Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I really want to just leave a video and tell you thank you for the 60 viewers and subscribers who are not viewers but subscribers who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it a lot. It's a big deal to me. I've worked really hard to try to get good information to you and make sure you're entertained by what I have to offer. And it's just been a fun journey, and I really appreciate you. And just look forward to more information, more content, things that you might desire. And to have things that you might desire, please leave a comment for whatever it is you think you're interested in, that you want to hear more of. Obviously, I'm starting to create more information for you and things that you might like, and we're getting more viewers. And again, I really appreciate the 60, and it's been amazing. So thanks a lot for everything, and I look forward to continuing the information for you guys. All right, thanks again, and continue to check with us. Have a good one.